Number of drug stocks got hammered yesterday after the FDA named a key critic as its new chief of vaccines. Our Angelica Peebles is tracking that action and joins us with more on what's ahead for some of these pharma names. Hey, Angelica.
Hey, Carl. So new SABR director Vinay Prasad is very vocal about his beliefs and his criticism of the FDA. He's called annual COVID boosters a failure of the FDA regulation. He's criticized the use of accelerated approvals, and he's accused his predecessor, Peter Marks, of rubber stamping drugs. For example, one of the things he wants to see is cancer drugs to show that they can actually keep people alive longer versus just stopping tumors from growing. And that's a difference that can add years and millions of dollars to clinical trials. So his appointment adds yet another layer of uncertainty for drug makers that have really been under pressure since RFK Jr. was named HHS secretary back in December. Then you have the White House trying to add most favored nations drug policy to the reconciliation bill. Now, that would tie the price of drugs in Medicaid to the lowest price that similar countries pay. And initially, it wasn't seen as a huge deal when this came up last week because Medicaid already gets the best deals around. But the industry realized that it would also affect the price of drugs in an even bigger program called 340B. And one lobbyist told me that it's like preparing for war right now. Pharma CEOs had an emergency call over the weekend, and they're taking their case to the Hill today while they're in town for a pre-planned pharma board meeting. And of course, don't forget about tariffs. The public comment period for the formal Section 232 investigation ends today, and President Trump said that he plans to announce those tariffs within the next 2 weeks. So there's just a lot going on right now, guys.
I'm glad you highlighted it. I was with some healthcare execs this week, and they were saying the most favored nation status issue is a potentially bigger one, a bigger problem than even pharmaceutical tariffs. So that's something to watch in the reconciliation. Angelica, thank you. Angelica Peebles.